have this really awesome adapter for your car. It's your normal, just normal car port, and then your Type-C adapter for your cell phone to play music. So my car is a little bit older, doesn't have Bluetooth in it, so I have to plug in to be able to play from my phone. So it's really nice, just simple and easy plug and play. So as you can see, this is a little bit heavier duty, high quality cord. It is looped, as you can see here, and just the type of cord actually just protects the inside materials, which makes the sound a lot better. So just really high quality sound delivered from your phone into your car. So again, really simply, if you can see in here, I'm just gonna plug it in. With some music playing so you can see it or listen to it.
Baby, she's Alabama, Dixieland delight, kissing me like moonlight.
Okay, so as you can see, just super straightforward from unplugging that and just playing it directly from my phone. So it just makes it really, really easy to be able to play from my phone into my car. So definitely go check this out. Really awesome adapter, and enjoy.